sir, got that butter and thyme in there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, got that shrimp in there now. Got that thyme and that butter. Been basting the scallops with that thyme and butter. Now we're gonna shrimp those shrimps. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, got that sauteed vegetables. That trio of peppers and onions and garlic. Yes, sir. This is a light, you can call it slightly vegetarian snack. Yes, sir. That shrimp with the sauteed trio of peppers and onions and that feta cheese and those scallions with that basil on top and feta cheese. Piece of rosemary bread. Ooh.